everybody, it's Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations. So I'm going to do a real quick memorial ornament. This is going to be in memory and honor of my brother, Charles Rowan Jr. And it's a real simple ornament that you can use for yourself or for family members or even for sale. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'll put the link to the ornament that I purchased and we'll go over the process really quickly. Let's go. So I actually designed my image in Silhouette and basically just did the background remover software, remove.bg, and I'll put the link in the description for that. You can also remove it in Canva, and then just added the image. The circle is 2.75 all the way around, and just kind of laid it out. I got this image off of Etsy where it has the your wings were ready but our hearts were not, and then just went ahead and added the name. So I have the press set up right now for 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and I'm printing out the images on this is HTV sublimation paper, and of course it's mirrored. So I'm going to go ahead and tape the image on top of here, and I'll show you what that looks like. And like with any of our sublimation ornaments and things like that, you're always going to have that little film that you have to peel back and remove completely. So don't forget to take that off. So next we're going to take the ornament. We're going to face it down, making sure that it's totally inside of the gray around here. And when I put this down, I just didn't take the time to crop it because it's not necessary. And then once you know it's inside of that gray, I made this gray area intentionally larger, making sure that the lettering was actually inside where the ornament will be. I'll go ahead and tape this down with some heat tape. So we're just going to tape it down. And then I'm going to take it over to the press. I'm going to cover it with the bottom piece. So I'm just going to fold it over. You'll see that at the press. So we're pressing 400 for 60 seconds. Okay. So next we can just lift this up. And here's the image. And let's just place it on the actual ornament. So it's a little interesting. They include these little glue dots. So the way that I've done it is just to cut off a few of the glue dots. I think I'm using like 3 of them. You can just flip it to the back, right, and peel this. You just press it on the back here and just smooth it. And once you smooth it on, you can pick the tape up and it stays on there. The main thing is just make sure you double check the orientation of it. So that's the top. So I had it at the top. And then I put one on either side right there. And then that's pretty much it. And then after that, we can go ahead and adhere it to the wings. And it's very sticky, as you can see. Then you just get your angel wings. Each of them come individually wrapped, which is nice because then you can put them back in the bag after you make it. If you're gifting it or selling it, you can put them back in the bag. So you're just going to take it out. And the string is already attached right there. And you're just going to push the ornament right here. So you just place it there and then you go back and apply a little pressure where you have put your dots. And then that's your ornament. I'll show it to you laid out and also on the tray. So here's the finished ornament. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks as always for watching Crystal's Diversity Creations.